Some cities are simply visited, but New York, it's felt. Ask anyone who's walked these streets, and they'll tell you, New York doesn't just stay on the map, it stays in your heart. But what exactly makes this city so unforgettable? Today, let's take a full tour through the places, sounds, and hidden gems that make millions fall in love with New York City every single year. The first impression. The moment you arrive, it hits you. The honk of yellow cabs, the aroma of street food, skyscrapers scraping the clouds. It's chaotic, loud, and overwhelming, yet strangely magnetic. Times Square is often where people start. Love it or hate it, it's the world's biggest stage. Imagine standing under neon lights brighter than daylight, where every billboard tells a story and every stranger is chasing a dream. You realize instantly that you're not just in a city, you're in the city. The icons. Then there are the icons. The Statue of Liberty, still holding her torch high, welcoming dreamers for over a century. The Empire State Building, a reminder of ambition carved into stone and steel. And the Brooklyn Bridge. Walk across it at sunset, with the skyline ahead and the East River beneath, and you'll understand why even New Yorkers never tire of this view. The soul of the city. But the real love story with New York isn't just in its landmarks. It's in the rhythm. The saxophone echoing through a subway tunnel, a dancer performing in Central Park while strangers cheer, a late-night jazz bar in Harlem where the music feels like a heartbeat. It's the city's soul. Creative, restless, alive, that makes you feel like you belong, even if you just arrived. Food that wins hearts. And then, the food. New York doesn't just feed you, it seduces you. The legendary dollar slice of pizza, crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside. Bagels so fluffy, they ruin bagels everywhere else. Street carts serving hot dogs and pretzels. And on the other end, world-class restaurants with flavors from every corner of the globe. Whatever your taste, New York whispers, here, you'll find it. The neighborhoods. Every neighborhood is its own world. Stroll through Chinatown and you'll feel like you've flown across the Pacific. Little Italy smells like fresh pasta and Sunday sauce. Greenwich Village? Quirky, creative, a heartbeat of art and rebellion. Williamsburg in Brooklyn? Young, trendy, full of street art and rooftop views. New York isn't one city, it's hundreds of little ones stitched together, and that's what makes it endlessly fascinating. The unexpected moments. But perhaps the most unforgettable part of New York is the unexpected. A street parade you didn't plan to see. Snow falling on Central Park, turning chaos into magic. Strangers helping each other carry groceries up subway stairs. In a city of 8 million people, it's these small human moments that sneak into your heart. So why does everyone fall in love with New York City? Because it isn't perfect. It's loud, crowded, and sometimes unforgiving. But it's real. It's a place where dreams collide with reality, where every street corner tells a story, and where you'll always feel that electric pulse reminding you, you're alive. And once you've felt that, New York never leaves you. If you've ever been here, you know. And if you haven't yet, maybe it's time to write your own New York story.